3Commas is one of the most popular crypto trading bot platform because of its flexibility and exchange support. It integrates with almost every major exchange like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bybit, KuCoin, and many more through secure API connections. What makes 3Commas powerful is its variety of automation strategies like greed boards, DCA boards, option boards, and the ability to connect trading view signals. This means you can create custom strategies or simply let the boards manage your portfolio across multiple exchanges. The smart trading terminal is another highlight. You can place advanced orders, set trailing, take profit, and automate risk management all in one place. Backtesting and paper trading tools are also available too, so you can test before going live. Pricing is flexible. There is even a free tier with limited features, while pro plans range from $30 to $60 a month depending on your needs. For active crypto traders who want control, automation, and a single dashboard to manage everything, 3Commas is fantastic choice. And the downside? It can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you are new to crypto trading. But once you learn the basics, it becomes one of the most complete toolkits for automating and optimizing your strategies in crypto space.